Okay, this is going to be the elevator at Macy's in the Westfield Meriden Mall in Meriden, Connecticut. The store's actually closing soon. There's the lantern. Maybe it doesn't work. Oh, that's the lantern right there. This thing is old and vintage. Let's go 2. Okay. Now let's go to 1. The motor on this sounds pretty quiet. It's got a cab view. This is a pretty old cab, I'd say. This looks like something straight from like the 60s to the 70s. So, as you can see here, it is a Dover. It has a weird something lantern. It sounds like a buzz. Kind of startled me a little bit. Alright guys, that'll be all short for this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.